What up, y'all? It's Tax Bull. Thank you for joining my video. Today, we're going to go over how to add in a developer tab into Microsoft Excel. So, as you can see at the top here in my ribbon section, I do not have a developer tab. I have File, Home, Insert, Page Layout, Formulas, Data, Review, View, Help, and Acrobat. So I want to get developer added in here. So I can go ahead and do dashboarding and other great things in Excel. So in order to do that, we need to click on File. You want to scroll down to Options. Once you do that, your Excel options should open up. You want to click on Customize Ribbon. And now over here under Customize Ribbon, you should see different tabs. If you don't have developer, that means it's unchecked. So you need to check developer, click OK, and here it is. So it shows up. And so now if you click on developer, you'll see you have a bunch of different options that can be used for advanced analysis and cool things. So we'll jump more into that in a later video. But thanks a lot for tuning in. Please like, follow, subscribe for more videos. Thank you.